Bell on the beat.
Hey y'all, and welcome to day 5 of 12 days of Christmas. Today we're going to be doing a holiday makeup look. I'm really excited. I haven't done my makeup since the show vlog. Yes. And if these pajamas look familiar to you, then you know that I bought these for day 1 of 12 days of Christmas, and they're super duper cute. They fit great, and I'm glad I bought them. It was suggested that I do a neutral smoky eye with an ombre lip, so let's get started. Since I haven't done my makeup in a while, and since the seasons have changed, I don't know what color I am. I guess we're gonna find out. So we're gonna use our Fenty primer, of course. The outside, like my forehead and the outside of my face, is darker than the inside of my face. So I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty and 410 on the inside of my face and try Too Faced Born This Way foundation on the outside of my face. I think it should work pretty well. I guess we're gonna see. Before I apply my foundation, I like to set my primer with a pressed powder. So I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me in 355, which is coconut. I'm just gonna put this where I put the foundation and when the parts, the primer, not the foundation. And just parts where I get oily the most, or where I need just a little bit more coverage. All right, so I'm gonna shake my foundation. And I'm gonna put it not directly on the edges, but a little far away so that I have somewhere to blend it into, if that makes sense. All right, I think I'm okay to blend, so I'm just gonna spray my brush with some setting spray and I'm gonna blend it in. I'm gonna go in with that Fenty Beauty. You don't need much with this. You don't need much with Born This Way either. They did a good job. I love that foundation. And I'm gonna put it in the middle of my face. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing, just blend it inside. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend everything one more time. I just like everything. Oh my gosh, I said it again. Everything to be connected and blended as one. We're gonna highlight under the eye with Fawn and the LA Girl Pro Concealer.
Chuki Beats.
All right, now add a concealer that's closer to my skin tone, I should say. And this is Can't Stop, Won't Stop NYX concealer. I love this concealer. It's really full coverage, really inexpensive. This is Mahogany. So now I'm gonna set with the medium deep Fit Me Maybelline loose powder. I have to be careful with this because it is pretty light, and I'm just like wary of setting powders because it's so easy to get ashy, like, and it's really hard to come back from. Now we're gonna go ahead and do our brows. Of course, I'm taking my Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown. Is it straight? I'm gonna set them with eyebrow gel just to keep the hairs in place because it can look like your brows messed up, but it's just a little hair that let this step out of line. So keep them in their place and apply that gel to your face. I'm going to go into this palette my teacher got me, which is really nice. It's the Mixed Metals Glam Profusion Cosmetics. It has 9 mattes and metallic eyeshadows. It's really nice. I really like it. So I'm gonna go in with Cookie, this one up here, just as a transition shade. All right, so I'm gonna just use this. It's like an angle, like a tapered angled brush. I'm just gonna use this. It has nothing on it, and I always just like to use this to just keep blending up. So I'm gonna just go in with a darker color, Tricky, on this palette, and I might not even get to the other palettes because this is looking up. Now we have that going on. We're gonna spice things up a bit and cut the crease. And I'm gonna go in with the NYX Beige Full Coverage Concealer. Just looks like this. I got it at my local beauty supply store. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with the darker color and just fade that. Just blend it. So just to kind of combat the coolness and run away from the ashiness that could potentially be going on, I'm gonna have the Black Up Two-Way Cake in the color, ooh, almost broke. I don't know what color this is, but it's a little redder. I'm just gonna use it a little bit, and I'm gonna brush that over the spots that I highlighted. I'm gonna line my under eye just with a dark brown right here. So not too much, just something to define it and say, I am here. Next up, we are going to line the eyes with the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. We're gonna do a wing. So first things first, I'm gonna just take some mascara and apply it to my lashes. Let's finish his face. So we're going to contour with the Black Radiance Contour Palette powder and just do what it do. gonna apply some shimmer in my tear duct. I'm gonna use this steel, but how many times has Dayanya dropped something in this video? Comment down below if you can tell me, cause too many if you ask me. I'm gonna use this Stila Babe Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow, and I'm gonna see how I can put this in my inner corner to create kind of a festive, glittery. We're gonna warm the face up a little bit with this NARS blush called Seduction. I'm gonna apply that right above my contour. Now, let us add lashes. So I'm gonna pop these on. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy, the highlighter. This is what it looks like. It's really bright, pretty. To finish it up, we're gonna give us our ombre lip. Give the ombre lip. Give us what we want. These 3 lipsticks. Of course, we have to do red because it's the holiday season. So first, I'm gonna line my lips with Vampira. Oh my gosh. Then I'm gonna go right, just like right on top, not on top of it, but like right under it, but on top of it with Copenhagen by NYX, the Soft Matte Lip Cream. We're gonna put, why am I yelling? Sorry. We're gonna put the color Kitten Heels by the NYX Liquid Suede collection right in the center. This is it for the finished look. That was day 5. I hope you guys liked this video. If y'all want to see more makeup tutorials, let me know in the comments. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all tomorrow for day 6. Stay tuned, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.